Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Hello guys. Hello everyone. So guys, welcome back to another stream. So today we are going to create this sci-fi corridor, okay, in 3ds Max and Unreal Engine. So this concept actually found in Google, made by, its name is Ken, I think. Is okay, so all credits goes to him. So we are gonna create this environment. So Nitin, Samuel, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, thanks for joining. Okay, I'm not gonna detail it, just like this concept, okay, just a basic version. You will create just a basic version of this. So let's do this. So we're gonna create the wall first, okay. Oh, and by the way, you can export this character from Unreal Engine to SFX to 3ds Max, okay. and you can export it here. And if this is the model, I'm gonna freeze this selection. Okay, now we will create the wall first. So go to the front view. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm gonna create a plane. Okay, and apply this material. I don't need this, all these segments, so this, I'm gonna convert this into editable poly, and we will increase the height a bit. Okay, and I'm gonna select these two edges, and we'll add two extra segment in the center like this. Okay, and I'm gonna select this face. I'm gonna move this to the back. Okay, like this. Check the picture. Yes, and I'm gonna move this down a little bit. We can select this face, change it to scale. This one I can do this. Okay, okay, this will be our basic wall. I'm gonna select and transport, or this will be our one of wall. Maybe we should increase the size. Oh, no, I'm gonna move this up. Move this up like this. Okay, this will be our basic wall. So now we need to create this thing, this in the side. Okay, this frame like thing. So for that we will save, copy, and we can either use a spline. Okay, I think we should use a spline. Okay, I'm going to the left view. Then we should okay, then I'm gonna find this line thing, and we will start it from here, and we will just follow this wall we created. Okay, this. Here I'm gonna enable this viewport, change it to rectangular, and increase the width and length. I'll place it here and check. Okay, it's fine. Okay, we have this thing. So make a copy just for a backup. Okay, and hide the selection. Here I'm going to convert this thing to editable poly, and I will select these faces, and we will extrude it. Then I'm gonna straighten this face, make it look plain. Maybe in y direction, no, x. Okay, this we need to move this down and here. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this. And more time, we are just making the basic version of what we see in the saw in the reference or concept. Okay. Actually, you don't need to straighten this. You can just keep it like this if you want. Okay, here we need to move this down, right? Select these two, or we can. Okay, we need to select this face, then align to x, no, y. Okay, this to align to the floor. Remote here. And in the top side, then we don't need to do that for top right. Yep, yep. Okay, here I'm gonna select these faces, then this here. Now I'm gonna select these two edges. We will chamfer it. Okay, I dismiss. And I will add a symmetry modifier. Like this. Okay. So we need to reduce the width or in the depth. Okay. Okay. Now we will be modeling this thing, this part right here, this orange one. Okay. And see finish. the basic version. We will try to detail all the versions. Okay. Here I will go to the left view. Then we will create a box, or can create a spline. No, we'll create a box. Okay. Create this box. And change the material, then increase the height, this much. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna convert this into veritable poly, then select this face. I'm gonna extrude it here, and I will select this face. We will extrude it down. Okay, like this. I'm gonna select these two vertex, then move it here. This one maybe this one here. Hold on. Parth, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Actually, wait. Before we do anything, we need to add one segment in here. Okay, like this. And I'm gonna move these vertexes to the right and this one to the left. Okay. And I'm going to select these faces. These all faces. Then insert it, okay, by polygon. This. And move this text here. Okay, hold on. Move these two texts, okay, together here. And we will bridge them, okay, just like this. I'm gonna save this. Then I'm gonna select all these faces by this angle. Okay, make sure you select any other side. Okay, Then I will insert set all these faces. You can either do one by one or every faces together. We'll set it. Okay, then extrude it to inside, or wait, we don't need to extrude inside, can we extrude outside like this? Okay, and then going to insert one more time. This time I'm gonna change to polygon mode. Okay, and increase the size, and then can extrude it one more time to side. Okay, like this. And I'm going to select these two faces, then extrude it. Okay. I will weld all these together. So I can keep it like this. Okay. Actually, code like lightning. Okay, I can do anything, bro. Should if it's boring, don't watch. Okay. Okay, thanks for the subscription. I miss his name. Okay. Anyway, whoever it is, thanks for being the stream. Actually, this is this part is a completely different one. Okay, we need to add a symmetry. Wait, symmetry to the symmetry to here. Okay, this is just for the test. Okay, now we need to bridge these things together. Wait, no, it won't work. You need to create a different mesh. Okay, because we already shaped these edges. I'm going to create another box in here. Okay, from here to here, then change the material and move it here. Okay, and convert this one to editable poly, and I'm going to extrude this down. Okay, then scale it like this. Maybe you don't need to scale this ones. Wait, we don't need to extrude this. Scale it down like this. And move it here. Okay, like this. Okay, fed right. Welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for joining. I hope this is the correct height. Need to okay, I'm gonna select these two faces, then insert. Okay, then extrude it to outside this much, then insert one more time, and extrude it inside. Okay, this is a basic version. Okay, can extrude this area if you want. I'm gonna move this here. We need to reduce the okay, we need to reduce the length of this mesh. This much is enough. Okay, and this side don't need this much length here. Okay, rapid welcome to stream, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank G. Welcome to the stream. Weaponize sound to some emojis. Everyone, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Here we can add some details in the walls. I'm gonna select all these edges, then add one segment. Okay, and I will select all these, select these two faces and set it. Okay, then I'm gonna extrude inside. Okay, and then select these select all these corner edges, and we will chamfer with 2 or 4 segments. Okay, and we can insert one more time and extrude it side. Okay, and we can select all these faces and apply a different material or insert it, and we can apply a different material. Okay, can extrude it, right? Yep, and insert one more time. Can add a different material here. Okay, Alexander, hi bro, can do the stream V4 doesn't run on my laptop, so is okay. Everyone, welcome to the stream. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more segments in these sides. One more, and we'll try to align. We can actually add texture here. Okay, I think we can select it, these 2 edges and here. Okay, again add a different material. Okay, like I said, this will be a basic version of this image. Okay, and we can create some lights and the roofs. Okay, I'm gonna save it, copy. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, and I'm gonna create a plane to the top view, and create a plane. Apply this material. It doesn't have textures, right? I'm gonna use this tileable textures. Okay, I'm gonna bake it the high poly or something. I'm gonna use only these tileable textures. We need to increase the increase the length. 8. We'll mirror it. Okay. Yes. Okay, actually wait. This should be here. And maybe we need to decrease the wait. Okay, Daniel, thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Should reduce the size or something. Yep. We just need to reduce the size. And we will select these two vertex. Make it straight. Okay. Okay, then keep it here and rearranging. Okay, this will be fine. No need to do that. We should move this. No. Okay, you can move this thing inside here. Okay, nice. You can keep it like this insert engine. So in this for this plane, I'm gonna create one segment in the center, and we need to flip this plane side. Okay. Okay, wasabi. Welcome to the stream. Still coding. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, I'm late. It's okay, bro. I have never worked on a project this precisely. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, here are these two sides. I'm gonna select these two, then insert. Wait. I'm gonna add two segments. This. Okay. Then extrude it. Ertix. Sorry. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Thanks for the expression. Welcome to the stream. Guys, everyone, thanks for the expression. I'm going to extrude this one. Okay. Then delete these faces. And we will insert these two sides. Okay. Then hold on control. Then select this vertex to select all of these vertex. Then I'm going to chamfer. What is that? So chamfer this vertex. Wait. Nope. I'm going to insert one more time, like this. Or wait, you can extrude it, right? Going to hold on. You can insert. Then extrude. Just a little. Then select all the corner. Chamfer it. Kiddo, thanks for the session. Welcome to the stream. Maybe we should select these edge, then extrude it. So, no, can do that. Okay. This is more extrusion here. Okay, then we can add this symmetry modifier. Okay. just like this and collapse it. Maybe we need to the B or top, then reduce the size of this thing. Okay, like this. Then we need to fill these cables and wire pipes in here. So Sharkuma, welcome to the stream. What is the minimum requirements of yes, you can use Unreal 5 1050T. It's me, Mario. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for the subscription. So you can use Unreal Engine with 1050 thing. Okay, now I'm going to create some pipes to these points. Change to radial and increase the thickness. And change the material to black one. We'll move this up. We can create a spline mesh blueprint in Unreal Engine if you know how to do it. Here I'm gonna okay to raise the sides. Then I'm gonna duplicate this line to here. Then increase the size or smaller one. And change the color to one. Harsh, thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Okay, just create a couple of pipe like things. I'm going to duplicate this to here. Okay, and this to here. And again duplicate these three to these two to here. Okay, I will create one more box or spine is enough between them. this and change to rectangle and apply this material. Okay, and the convert to editable poly. I'm gonna duplicate this thing multiple times, or we can see size. Okay, then we will attach these together. And also these things, these 5 things. Okay, what does the color of material mean? What? Color of material means the color of materials. Okay, here I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, attach this. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this thing to here. Then I will, okay, wait. Look at the size of all this. I think something went wrong. Wait. Okay, not attach these spines before we convert to editable. Okay, I'm going to duplicate all these without attaching. Okay, here. You can just duplicate this whole wall, I mean row ceiling. And I'm going to select this line. Okay, and I'm gonna select add extra segment for this one. Okay, and I will use, select this vertex and move it. Maybe we should add 2 more segments. Then select this one. Okay. Then drag it down, and we can right click, then if I press this smooth like this. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the size of this thing and the sides of this thing. Okay, and I will duplicate this and then select this cable and change the material some. Okay, now I can delete this one and I will duplicate this one more time and select this segment, sorry, edge. Okay, right here. Maybe okay, Srinath, thanks for this question. Welcome to the stream. Here I'm gonna delete few of these things. And I will duplicate this. Wires to here. Okay, then I'm gonna mirror this cable to X direction, class 2. I'm gonna select this plane, increase the height, same for this one. Okay, need to change the material color to something else. List for this one. Okay, we can export this ceiling as a different one. Okay, for a variety. Okay, nice. I'm gonna group this mesh. So this one. Okay, now wait. I'm gonna create a couple of large cables. Okay, going to the left view. Then save it first. And I'm gonna use this plane. And I will wait, which the picture. Okay. I'll start from here. And it here. Okay, then enable this in viewport, increase the size and change the material, and I'm going to select this vertex. Can connect it here or here or here. And maybe we can add extra segment, maybe one. I can move this. Okay, make something like this. It's like a hanging cable or something. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this one and change the size and increase the length. Okay, to increase this one's length, I'm gonna uncheck this start a new shape thing. Okay, and click line, start from here to like this, and we need to build these text together. Select it, and we have this build option, and right click and export. Okay, okay, maybe we can move this here. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, okay. Let's make a couple of cable like this, and we are good to go. This is looking like my PC cable manager's game day corner. Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's check. Okay, I think it's fine. Maybe we need to change the color. Okay. Now we need to create some small lights. Say this. Then we will unwrap the UV and export to Unreal Engine. Okay, for lights, I'm gonna just create a small box like here. Okay, and change the material. Pin and place in here. Increase the height. Convert to editable poly. How long did it take you to become this one? I don't know the exact time actually. No, I mean it will take some time. Maybe 1 or 2 years. Okay, here need to create one more line. Just for this tube thing and change the material, and I will put here. And we need to increase these side segments. Maybe 6 is enough, and I'm gonna add 2 segments. Here. Then I'm gonna select it, then extrude it a little bit. Okay, maybe we can chamfer these segments. And increase the size of this tube. Okay, convert to editable poly, and we can attach to this. Maybe we can reduce the size. Okay, we can export this light as a different mesh. So I think that's it. We can now start unwrapping with these UVs. Okay. Okay, Omar, welcome to the stream. What teacher classes? No suggestion. Really? Okay, thanks. Okay, we can still create some varieties with this. Okay, maybe one more. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. Then I'm gonna ungroup this mesh. And we will delete these few meshes. And then duplicate a couple of times. Okay. Now we can increase the length, I mean the gravity part of this. Okay, let's make some random position for all these hanging cables. Okay, make sure these cables positions are not the same. And this one, this one. Okay, okay, we have this cable here. I'm gonna move it down almost to the floor. Okay, and I'm gonna add one segment in these two. Sorry, I'm gonna divide these two segments. This is too much. I think it's too much. I think it's too much, guys. Okay, okay. I'm gonna save this multiple times, then we will start unlocking for the UVs, then we will export on the engine. You guys have 3D animation classes. Wasabi. That's good. We are in government college, so you have all the facilities. Oh, you are in college, okay. That's it. Everyone, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm gonna unwrap these UVs. Okay, this one first. Actually, we need to create one more thing, which is the door. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna unwrap the UV of this thing. Okay, if you want, you can come here. These hard edges and chamfer these hard edges if you want. Okay, if you want. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, actually, I'm gonna try to do this quickly. I'm gonna use this planar projection in my direction. Okay, and if I try to relax it, be fine, right? And we can break this corner. Okay, so the UVs will be better, I think. Let's check. Okay, this thing actually you'll find some problems with these scenes. You can hide these scenes with some meshes. Okay, or you can just do one by one. I You can do one by one. Like this, I'll show you. I'm gonna select this face, then grow the selection to here, and I use this panel projection. Okay, we can do this way. Select this one, grow the selection. Okay, panel projection, my direction. Okay, since we're gonna use use tileable textures, it should be fine, I think. Okay, anyway. Yep. Okay, select everything, Control I, pack it. Okay, मुझे क्या guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna wrap this one. Okay, I don't need this side. Yes, delete it. This one. Okay, so this one we'll keep this one. Then I will add this unwrap BBW modifier. Select everything. Okay, except this one, and use this planar projection, and I'm gonna use this best align option. Then tools, flags, and it look like this. Okay, here I think we need to this text. Okay, Visa, thanks for the subscription. And Ahmed, thanks for the discussion. Everyone, welcome to the stream. And Roberto, thanks for the discussion. So maybe we need to use Y direction. This thing goes in some problems. These are fine, right? Why should we worry? Now it's fine. Okay, we will keep Artem. Thanks for the session. Welcome to the stream. We'll keep it like this. Okay, these three. It will be better. And I'm gonna pack this. Select this. Actually, we need to duplicate this thing to, yeah, right. Okay, we can do an Unreal Engine. It's fine. Okay, this one I'm going to add this modifier. Then try to flatten mapping. Control A. Or we can just select this face, then grow it. Right. Same thing. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna select all these faces like this. Then this is cylindrical projection in y direction. And okay, it's fine, right? Okay, and with the selection with the control I, same. But cylindrical projection, planar projection in y direction. It's not planar, we should do separately, right? Okay guys, thanks for the subscription. I think I missed that. Hold on. This is not the best way to do it. I'm gonna select all these faces. Then this planar projection. Okay, same for this side. Maybe you can use this. Use these faces also. then these two. Okay, nice. I'm gonna select everything, then pack it. Okay, now this one, right? Okay, I'm gonna add this modifier. Open that this to the side. I need to save a copy. Okay, can try flatten mapping. Or I'm gonna select all these faces. Okay, then grow the selection. Try this one. Okay. Okay, we can use this side also. Wait. We need to do one more time. Or wait. CTC. Thanks for this question. Hard surface modeling gonna take some time today. So I don't use image for evaluating. Okay, okay. It's fine. We can use this. Everyone, thanks for joining the stream. It's okay. Actually, we are going to use tileable textures, so should be fine. I'm going to select all these faces and grow it. And use this planar projection, X direction, look horizontal. Okay. Now for the rest of the part, so we can just flatten mapping. Okay. Okay, then select everything, pack it. Or okay. Okay, now this part, right? Okay, before we do the we need to ungroup this mesh, and I'm going to convert this to editable poly. Okay, and I'm going to isolate all this. Okay, okay, thanks for the discussion. We can read your name. Anyway, thanks for the discussion. Welcome to the stream. Okay, here we convert this into body and attach all these together. Okay, select one, then hold on shift, then click on the last one. Okay, the UV should be fine, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, for this one. Okay, convert one to double poly, attach. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap UV of this thing. Okay, I'm gonna select everything, then planar projection in C direction, and if I relax it, so that should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna add this unwrap variable modifier for this one. Okay, these are basically comes with the default UV, so I'm just gonna scale it down, sorry, scale it up. Okay, I think we need to do one by one. Here, we must select all these normal pipes first. Okay, Alik, thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one right here. For this one, I need to scale it. Okay, same thing. Scale it. Okay, now just select everything and you can keep it like this. Wait. Okay, now select everything, back it, and we can scale this thing up. See, like this. Okay, one down. Two. I'm gonna save this copy. I mean, text we don't use image for. Okay, I mean, text watch series later. Thanks for the tutorial. Have tuition. Okay, bro. Sure. Bye, bro. Okay, I'm gonna copy this UV to this thing. Should work. To work. Okay, then these pipes into this modifier. And I'm gonna select all this normal thing first. Okay, then this first to the cables can do like this, right? Nice. Okay, then select everything, pack it, and here we can increase the size. Okay, okay, then I'm gonna group this thing and this one, and one more. Okay, I'm going to isolate all these pipes, convert one to editable poly, then we will attach the rest of them, then add this wrap UVW modifier, select everything, and can just pack it, scale it up. Okay, then we can copy this. Okay, it can paste it still, right? Yep. Okay, it's fine. Okay, hold on, we need to unwrap this part. Control A is flatten the UV. Okay, so and attach to this one. Can add a different material for this. I'm going to copy this UV from this mesh. This one and check it. Should be fine. Then group it again. Okay, I need to add this. Okay, we have the ceilings. Okay, everything done. Okay, now this larger cables, right? Okay, for this I'm gonna convert this one to poly, then add this modifier. Okay, press Ctrl A and let's pack it. Same for this one. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, now we can group it. Okay, actually we need to create one more mesh. Maybe maybe door. Okay, for that I'm gonna isolate this thing and to be just a basic door. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this up to here. Okay, we need to unwrap the light, right? Okay, point to the left view. Then I'm gonna create another line. Okay, from here to cross it. Maybe I need to straighten this. Okay, then convert to editable poly. So you have this door, and then I'm gonna add one segment in the center, and maybe one in the one more. then okay, and I'm gonna select all these faces and insert. Or maybe we can wait. We move this vertex here, then this one. No, no. Okay. Here I'm gonna insert this side. Two times. Okay. Then can extrude it to inside. This side we will be using a glass material. Okay. And for this side, insert two times. I'm gonna extrude outside. This. Okay, then I'm gonna select this edge, this one, and we will extrude it inside like this. Okay. And we can change the material of this one to black. We can add on text here like this, some 07 like that. Angel, welcome to the stream. Thanks for the subscription. 07. Just a random number. Or can call 11. No. 07. Or wait, A1. So okay. And convert to variable poly. Change the material to this one. Okay. Then place it. Closer to the mesh. Okay. I think that A7 doesn't look good. gonna cut this 7 from this channel, and I'm gonna attach to this mesh. We will drop the UV. Guys, thanks for the subscription. I think I forgot to read the names. Anyway, everyone, thanks for the subscription. Okay, I'm gonna select this one, and we will do a quick. We can use this planar projection. Relax it. Okay, then make it, scale it. This one will use this quick planar projection. Okay, like it. We'll use a different material, so doesn't matter. We can just overlap these two. Okay. If you want, we can just type it, create a hologram or something like welcome or all. And one more thing we can do, I'm gonna select this and insert. I'm gonna change to different material. Okay, but we need to change the UV. Relax it. Then pack it and scale it. Make sure you need to hold down control while scaling the UV, okay, or else it will go like this. Pack it. Okay, I think that's it. Now we can export everything to Unreal Engine. We'll export this door first. Export selected, desktop, new folder, time. We call this some door. Okay, and you don't need this one, but export this. Okay, just reset the pivot to here, then export selected, some pillar or frame authorities pillar wall. Okay, now this one. export selected, some pillar 2, this one, will be some wall, some for static mesh, and this will be our I'm gonna call this all. Okay, export selected, some wall 3, and one more wall. Wall 4, and these cables selected, we call this cable. Actually we need to create a floor, right? Okay, that's easy, that's fine. Okay, I think, okay, one more mesh. We need to create one floor, selected, should be pillar 3, right? We need to unwrap the light UV, Tamerlan, thanks for joining the stream. Welcome, bro. We have to, I'm gonna select this one first, out here, and I'm gonna try to flatten the mapping to like this. So okay, I don't need this side. Planar projection in Y or X or this direction, I don't know. Wait. Philip, thanks for this question. Welcome to the stream. Wait, I think we need to come here and reset X form. Now if I add this modifier, we'll move this slide here. I'm gonna select this. Okay, then planar projection. This will work. Okay, let's save this. Okay, which thing can do? Wait, maybe I can do. Okay, it's fine. Okay, nice. This one. So, okay, I'm gonna control I to invert selection. Okay, projection. Okay, this one. Horizontal. Yes. Now for the tube, we can just select it and increase the size like this and select everything, pack it except this tube, and we can just pack this one separately. Perfect. And I'm going to export this source out. Place it here. Export selected. Some night. Okay, nice. Actually, we need to create one more thing. That is a float. I'm gonna create a simple plane. Okay, for this one. Okay, and I'm gonna isolate it, change the material, and I'm gonna add these 4 segments. Sorry, okay, total 4 segments and convert to editable body. Okay, then I'm gonna select all these faces. Actually, we can add a texture in this flow. Anyway, I'm gonna set this one. Let's extrude it. It's for a plane. Okay. Then we can chamfer it if you want. Okay, nope. Can keep it like this. Okay, I'm gonna keep this as a plain because we can add a texture manually. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna unwrap this UV. Control A, relax, back it. Okay, then we'll export to engine. Yes, floor. Okay, I think we export everything, right? Now I'm gonna save copy. Then open the engine. Close it. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay. And we will open the project. And before we start, I'm gonna show you the last project. So okay, this is our last project. Okay, I'm gonna create a new level, this basic one, and change it to default viewport, and the scalability to medium. Okay, and we will create some folders. Open it. Formats, meshes, materials, and textures. Right click to open that window. Okay, see, just right click, you can find this and open the mesh folder. Import everything we just exported from 3ds Max. Okay, make sure you check this combine mesh thing. Okay, but clear this thing, close it, save it. Okay, now we can arrange everything here. I'm gonna drop this wall and save this project to SciPy folder. Okay, and I'm gonna hold down Alt and I'm gonna duplicate this one, and I will replace this wall with our this pillar thing. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this pillar and we will replace it with this another pillar and move it here. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this thing and right click, transform to X, no, transform to Y direction. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this pillar and replace with another pillar, and right click, transform to Y and move it here. Here. Okay, then I will duplicate this wall, change this one to or another one, this one, right? Okay, okay, now I'm gonna group these pillar together. Okay, wait, and group, so I'll group it and duplicate it here. Okay, and we need to duplicate this wall to the other side and transform to Y direction. And move this thing here. Okay, move this. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate, sorry, group these walls, duplicate it here. Maybe we don't need this here. I can just move this in here and place this mesh in the gap. Okay, okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this wall, sorry, roof, okay, sorry, ceiling, and place it in here. This time we can just replace this wall with this one. To unglobe this one. This little bit. Okay, here I'm gonna duplicate, sorry, ungroup this thing and duplicate this word and replace with the door. Yes, Karthi, welcome to the stream. Shyam Krishna. Okay. Hello. I'm gonna group. Groups. Regroup. Then duplicate here. Then we will delete it. We will do one more time because groups. Regroup. Okay, wait. Actually, we forgot to. Shyam Krishna, thanks for the 100 rupees. Adale, Karthi. Okay. Actually, we forgot to model one thing we saw in the picture. Okay. There was something in the window that we forgot to do. Karthi, thanks for the super chat. Okay. Here I'm gonna duplicate these meshes couple of times. Okay. Then group and look. I'm gonna replace this ceiling with another one. Okay. Nice. Now we can import the textures and create some materials and add these lights, cables, and the wall. Okay, to add this cable, right? I'm gonna place the camera here. So and we don't need this floor. We can duplicate this one and replace with our floor. delete it. Wait. Okay, maybe you should close this side, right? Transform mirror to y direction. Okay, save everything and then open this pixel mixer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will find some paint, some metallic texture. Okay, actually we don't need, so we only need two type of textures, I think. Let's see. Okay, this this white dot. You can find I'm gonna search for some metal sheet textures. This one can change the color, right? And maybe some metallic panel. I'm gonna search for panels so we can use okay, anyway, I'm gonna try this one first. Can change the color to black. And the reference to this. And we'll export it to empty metal. Okay. Proven, welcome to the stream. What kind of game are you making? Not making a game, bro. You're just trying this environment in Unreal Engine. That's it. Okay, save everything. Make sure you click the green channel of normal map and I click new material on base. Okay, open it. Okay, connect this base to base color, convert to parameter, this B, and the roughness convert to parameter, and photo name, click and click for the roughness. Connect to roughness and the normal, convert to parameter, and metallic, right? Convert to parameter, m, and to multiply this value default on, connect to metallic, and for the UV, hold on, U is scale 1, okay, and apply it. Save everything. We need to find some roughness texture. Okay, anyway, we need to open the material one more time. Make sure you check this two-sided thing. Apply. Okay, and then right click the material, create a material instance, get metal, and open our mesh. This reference. Okay, this will be our basic material. Too much roughness, right? We need to find another texture reference. So I'm going to duplicate this metal to another got this metal. Oh, okay, then open the basic material. Need to change the color, so right click, search for blend hard light and hold on 3 for the color. Blend base, connect to base color. The default color will be black. So apply, close it, I'm gonna change the color of this one to some orange. Okay, and the roughness to the metallic. The roughness, we need to change the roughness texture. This thing. So save it for now. I'm gonna open the mesh and apply this material. And okay, it's dark. Yeah, we're going to. We don't need this metal texture anyway. I'll keep it. We need to find some another texture for this metallic thing. Add this one. And change the color to underline. I hate this dirt scratch paint shade. Oh. I'm gonna export this roughness map, I mean this one. Okay, this roughness map. And change it with this one. Okay, one is enough, I think. Or point. Okay, we'll see once we lighten this and this one. Change the reference to 0.7. Okay. Don't need the direction light. I'm gonna turn it off. Nope. And I'm going to add this post-processorium and change the settings to infinite and the exposure to 0.7. Okay. Then I'm gonna try this to high. We need to change this texture. Let's see that. And I'm gonna place all these light mesh. Okay, wait. For that we need to create a light material. Okay, hold on. 3 for the color. Convert to parameter. Neon snake, right? Thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. And hold on, is for the MC intensity to be 4 by default. Connect to MC. Wait. Connect to MC. Tall. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna apply. Save it. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate. Sorry, so duplicate. Create a material instance. Then apply the I think we forgot to change the mesh. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna apply this material. Place it. Actually, we need to change the material, which we forgot. Anyway, we have these two lights, and I'm gonna add a light. What is it? This one. Okay, rotate it. And we'll place it. See the roughness of this material. We need to change that. Okay, here. And I'm going to change the we need to rotate it. Bond door length. Okay, we need to rotate it. Okay. Now I'm going to change to high. Okay, we need to change the wall texture. We need to change the wall texture first. GPU crash. Okay, nice. Oh shit. Okay, it will open again, so we can find some metallic texture or some painted. No. Scratched metal. Please hold on. Project, something happened with the project, I think. Okay, it's not opening. Okay, hold on, I need to close. Okay, guys, hold on, I need to post something. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Hello guys, welcome back. Hello guys, welcome back. Sorry guys, I went to restart my PC. I don't know, something happened. Okay, anyway, sorry for that. Here we need to find some, sorry, recreate the texture, right? Can tally or change it. No, I'm a tag. or we can just create some metallic material inside Unreal Engine. Okay, I'm gonna try this one also. T metal. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Oh shit, we don't need actually this AO, this displacement. Till normal roughness. Okay, we don't need metallic texture. And I will flip this channel. Wait, save it first. And I'm gonna change it here. Okay. Also for this one, can use this. Okay, roughness scale maybe 2. So, okay, for these cables we can just use a new material. This is basic color. Okay, open it. Hold on, 3 for the color, convert to parameter, and the S for this roughness. Create a material instance and call this black. Okay, and I will open this mesh, apply to one cable, and I duplicate this black to red. Okay, I'm gonna save this one, and this red. Oh, shit, wait, this red. Hold on. Black, this one should be black. Okay, I'm gonna save everything. I'm gonna delete this red and I will duplicate this black to red. The mesh. I'm gonna change the color under reference 0.6 color to red. Point. And this black to we can duplicate this black one more time too. Okay, need to change this mesh metal. So okay, this shadow. Now I'm gonna search for some floor texture. Floor normal one. I think we can find floor texture. Or I think we need to go for this site called textures.com. Okay, then we will look for some metallic panels and see the sun. Okay, where is it? Sci-fi panel, sci-fi floor. I can use one of textures. Okay, I'm gonna download this sun. Okay, and the normal and this roughness. I hope it will support Sunday engine. I'm gonna import these three. Then I'm gonna duplicate this metal thing to floor and replace. I don't think we need to flip this green channel. Maybe we should increase the roughness. Combination, let me see. I think we should download this metallic also and import here and play. Okay, I'm gonna save this and change the color to some dark. Okay, and I'm gonna find this floor mesh. I'm gonna apply it to the floor and change the scale to 1. I try to change it to 3 to like this. 4. I think 1 is fine. Or 2. Okay, so it is fine. And I'm gonna duplicate this metal and change the color to, and open this mesh. Okay, so you don't need to do that. Waste. I'm gonna use the same texture. Okay, I think we need to create this glass material. Okay, glass. Around 3 for the color. And you'll add a roughness texture for the roughness. Okay. And open the door mesh. Create a material instance from glass. And I'm gonna use this metal. Or metal 2. Change the metal to color to some orange. Okay, I will duplicate one more time. No, don't need to duplicate. Maybe you should change some settings for the floor. roughness to this one and change the roughness to 1 or 2. And we need to change this pillar clock to light. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to change all the cable colors. Okay, then we have this blue, red, and this black. This one. Black. Okay, to change this mesh. With this pillar material to this metal. Search for this and we will add one and change the color. And the volumetric form. and the lights to mobile. Some and I can change the, okay, it's already changed the intensity. Now I'm gonna try to, maybe we can use this panel texture if we want. I hope I can download this. Okay, I have still have this 11 credits left, so I think maybe this one. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna try this. It. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Download this. In a new folder. This one. And this reference also. And we will import it here. Why you not use we will browse once we finish everything. Okay, it's actually turned on. You just need to change the scalability to high. Okay, here I'm gonna open this metal. Try this floor and change the color to black and the roughness to some, change the roughness to 4 and the scaling to 1. Sure about this, maybe we'll, okay, wait, we need to change this red color to, okay, aliens. Okay, I'm gonna try to uh, change the engine scalability to high. Okay, it's not crashed, but this reflection, okay, we need to change the, so add this sphere reflection capture. Okay, and I'm gonna turn this, sorry, close this. And what we can do is change this light color to orange or dark blue. And this one, okay, I'm gonna keep that, sorry, change that to orange. Actually no, we will keep this color. Okay, then I'm gonna open this light instance color to 20, sorry, intensity to 22, and the color to this yellow. Maybe we should change this intensity for, okay, you can change this fog color to orange. I'll change to orange. And this scattering distribution, or we don't need this much orange. Okay, we can just reduce the scattering distribution, right? And the roughness on these walls, metals. I don't know what happened to this roughness thing. What is the music playing at the beginning of the stream? It is like, I don't know, remember the name actually. Oh, you can find it in the library, but I don't remember the name actually. Okay, so I can add one more thing. Let's search for these particles. This is too much. Team ambient dust. Maybe some spark. At the sky spear. Okay. Thing. Search for spark. Then delete it. The bug. Okay. I don't know why. Okay, I can edit. I'm gonna open another level and we'll go back. Okay, it's still there. No matching it. Okay. No, I want to change some settings here in the post process. X and global illumination lemon. Point one. And the contrast to, we change it to, so point 3. contrast 2. I think that's it. We don't need motion blur. Maybe a bit ambient depression. Okay, we don't need actually skew map. Can add a skylight if you want. Okay, you can use this one or this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I think that's it, guys. For the I don't know what happened here. Eh, so guys, that was our sci-fi environment. Okay, if you want to ask something, you can ask. Okay, Digital Wizard, welcome to the stream. And I don't know, I can't read your name, bro. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Okay, Gex player, welcome to the stream. What is the music? So guys, that's it for today. If you want to ask something, you can just ask. Okay, and thanks for the 100 likes. And you can suggest a topic for our next tutorial, which I hope don't crash next time. And I'm gonna turn the collision on. Okay, if I try to plane here, it won't crash, I think. You can pass this mesh because I need to adjust the collision. Okay, anyway, Again, everyone, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the likes. So if you want to ask something, you can just ask. And thanks for the 109 likes or 110 likes. So guys, again, everyone, thanks for joining the stream. I hope you guys liked today's welcome to the stream. Hello bro, hello. Guys, again, thanks for joining the stream, and we will see you on Wednesday. Okay, next stream will be on Wednesday. So if you want to ask something, you can just comment, or we can in the stream. Okay guys, then fine, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the support. Bye guys, take care. Okay guys, bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Give broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.